Learning to say no. This is commentary from James Brown. There's a magic word that can save your time, your sanity, and maybe even your soul. It's not please, it's not sorry, it's no. Some people learn it young. I had to learn it the hard way by saying yes too many times and wondering why my life felt like a Jenga tower ready to fall over. You say yes to the extra shift. You say yes to the last minute favor. You say yes to the thing you didn't even want to do. And every yes pulls one more block from your foundation. Until one day, boom. Nothing left to stand on. Saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're paying attention. It means you know that yes should mean something and not just be your automatic setting. Think about it. Every time you say yes to something you don't believe in, you're quietly saying no to something you do. So what about you? When was the last time you said no and meant it? Or the last time you wish you had? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.